So guys, today welcome to my first YouTube channel where this is my sister's. It says actually hi guys, but she doesn't know how to spell backwards. And she's really shy, so she doesn't want to talk. So I'm gonna make two parts of this because I'm not gonna read you. I don't know why I'm gonna hold the iPad. So yeah, she just put my name down, but it's not my real name. I'm not gonna give you my real name. I'm not gonna hold my iPad while I'm shopping at Target, but I'm gonna show you my next video. So punch your name. I am bringing my phone to check my second channel, but that will be probably my last YouTube video because I am quitting that channel, and I'm probably gonna focus more on this one. And is it my first time seeing your face? Please subscribe. See, she's spelling right, but it's backwards, you know. Guys, you have to spell that backwards if you want them to actually read that. So, I'm going to tell you some things you're going to need. First, you're going to need a car, a motorcycle, a ticket to a bus. I know, I'm going to be so obvious. Okay? What you're going to bring is a wallet or no wallet. You need pockets in your holes, or if you're a woman, I don't know what you need. Or man, you need a wallet too. And what you also need is dollar bills. It could be a $1 bill, but I don't think you can buy any of the ingredients. Well, maybe one. But we're going to Target here, so pretty much you can. I don't even know what she says, but okay. Well, be quiet. I'm gonna cut you out of that video. You keep laughing at me. So you can use any dollar bill, like $1 bills. That's okay. $2 bills, okay. $2 bills are rare. Why would you use a $2 bill at Target? Come on. I would keep a $2 bill. You can use a $5 bill, $10 bill, $20 bill, $50 bill. Don't use $50 bills because they stopped making that on my dad. He used to give them to me, so he stopped because he's gonna keep them looking for himself. I'm not sure. You can use what I'm using. This. This is American money here, so yeah. You could use that too. You could use that $500 bill. Those are really rare too, so don't use it. $1,000 bills. Those are really rare, so don't use it. But you can use it. If you're Mexican, hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, tú. Gracias. Tengo pesos. No, saben American, so no use pesos. I don't know why I did that, but you know. So my ingredients you're gonna, I'm probably gonna talk to you for like 5 minutes because it's already been like 3 minutes here. But my other video is not gonna be 3 minutes. It's probably gonna be like 10, 14, 15. But I'm so sorry it's horrible quality. But please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, post the notifications. I'm watching it. Oh, I am right now, but I'm really not. Post that, I subscribe, and if I hit 1K, I will dye my hair green. But temporarily, if I hit 2 million, I promise I will permanently dye my hair green. But that's only permanently. That girl looks like she's in a candy. Stop drawing, and she's gonna stop for now.
Oh no.
She talked, guys. She talked.
No, I didn't.
This is the first time being in my video. But some things you're gonna need is I think 1.5, just to make sure. I'm gonna buy like those, you know, those whole packs you can get at Target, Walmart. What was that? Michael. I was gonna say Michael, and I was like, why Michael's? But maybe Michael's has it. But I'm gonna shop at Target. Any store will be fine that has these stuff. So you need little measuring cups. I'll get the whole pack just in case I'm wrong. But had to watch some other YouTube videos. Oh yeah, my other channel, its name is my YouTube channel is this is my backup number on your phone. Okay, no, I don't care about that. I don't care about that. I'm sure I'm gonna get another phone in the future. So. Well, I already have another one. But
Don't do that.
my YouTube channel, I'm gonna do it.
You should get out.
Guys, do not get Hatchimals or rip-offs, and they're only meant for little kids like her.
No, if you're a little kid.
Unless you're on a YouTube channel and you're doing it to make money, that's okay.
No.
But she doesn't have an excuse.
They have glitter.
My other YouTube channel is Alex Camacho. Alex Camacho 372382 gmail.com. My Instagram is about I have an Instagram too. Go follow that.
It's a
please.
It's a dog.
See my Instagram.
I will show you something else.
So you're going to go here, hit this Instagram thing. Okay, do not, I don't follow these people. Wait. Does she let me follow her? Like, sorry. Well, she needs to follow me. But she decides to follow me. I know, I tried to follow. Can you please take those tattoos out? Okay, mine is Wolf Kid or Alex Felix 292, and I have another video. So I guess this video is gonna be longer than it's supposed to be. You're gonna need teaspoons, like I said. You're gonna need clear glue, normal glue, like I have. You can use paint or food color using paint. I'm using more of a metallic gold paint. Keep that in mind. Then I start with easy, something to stir in easy. You also need some contact solution. You already have that, but it has to have a certain thing, which you can watch other YouTube videos or Google. What would you need? And you're pretty much set. And any of you guys like Roblox, you only go for me. Oh wait, you have brothers, but you can join my group. I'm not sure if it's gonna come backwards on my phone or my backup. So, you go to Roblox. So these are really old toys. I don't get the point of these anymore. You do. Sorry, my phone cheesy.
Oh wait, I'm his teddy bear.
This is my special teddy bear. Don't make fun of me.
Teddy bear.
He's gonna be in this video now. I only use this teddy bear. It's special because this is the last teddy bear my dad will ever give me, probably. Well, I'm gonna play with
this. Is a ultra. I'm gonna show you mine.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go here. Sorry, I had to cough.
Make it done.
I'm not sure where it tells you what to do to join in, because you know.
I got you
No, of course. Okay, it's called The Pandas Tribe. It's backwards, but it's called The Pandas Tribe. I think it's something you want to go follow, go ahead. But that's only if you want to. See, this video, what I'm telling you, is not going to be a quick video. And it already hit 10 minutes. So, I'm going to let you go. Turn on post notifications. I'm sorry, I have notifications. Do not play tic-tac-toe. That's old too.
I'm not playing tic-tac-toe. So
hashtag, I might have to put her channel. If you don't want me to press the link in the description, X this video out, go to Valerie's Fantastic Slime. Don't really fantastic. She didn't call it Fantastic Slime. Go subscribe. I'm not sure if I want to link her friends. I'm probably not.
yeah, her
No!
Cardolo. I don't know.
I'm probably going to say her YouTube channel in the future, but no. Go subscribe to her. Please subscribe to me. This is my first video, and you probably have never heard of me. Unless you're my friends and you're stalking me. Not bad. But please subscribe. Make it part 2. Part coming up after this video.
Peace out. I'm gonna paint my nails.
I'm just gonna make the other ones wet, so I'm gonna make what I'm gonna. I'm parking that.